Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter subtraction. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? Let's just start with the lesson chapter subtraction. Okay, so in the last session we have already did with the subtraction fluency. I think the last chapter before this chapter we did the in the last session we did subtraction skill builders, right? So basically we all know what is subtraction, how do we subtract, right? So here we are going to learn the subtraction facts. How do we make a number? How do we subtract number? How do we subtract one digit numbers like this, right? They all are related to subtraction. The basic concept is subtraction, right? So that is a quick review about this chapter. Start with the first one, that is subtraction facts, numbers up to 10. Basic thing is we are going to learn how do we subtract, right? So let's just start with the examples. The first one is 9 minus 9. I've already covered this chapter so many times. Today we're going to just do a quick review about this chapter, right? So if you need more help with the lesson, you can just search the YouTube channel along with the lesson name. You can find all the lessons related to the chapter already there, right? So start with the first one. 9 take away 9 is 9 take away 9. Whenever you subtract a number from itself, so subtracting number from itself always makes a 0, right? So 9 take away 9. Subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. So 9 minus 9 is a 0. Got it? So the option is 0. Okay, the next one is subtract 9 take away 6. So how do we subtract 9 take away 6 equals? You can subtract, so you have so many ways to subtract. You can make the lines, you can count from the smallest number to the greatest to the greater number, and you have so many ways to subtract or example. I'm going to start with the smaller number until greater one. So 6 is smaller. Start with 6 and count until 9. So that would be 6, 7, 8, and 9. So that means start with 6, count until 9. 7, 8, 9. So you have three numbers. That means 9 take away 6 is 3. So 9 take away 6 is 3. Okay, the next one is 0 take away 0. So which is the correct option? 0 take away 0 is 0, right? Subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. The next one is 3 take away 0, which is the correct option. Whenever you subtract 0 from any number, the answer is exactly the same number. Like 3 minus 0 is always 3. Got it? The correct option is 3. Like subtracting a number From 0, the number stays the same. So 3 take away 0 is 3. Got it? Subtract 8 take away 2 equals. So you can make 8 lines, then remove 2 of them and see how many, what number we're left with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remove 2 of the lines and count the rest of the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 take away 2 is 6. Got it? The correct option is 6. The next one is 7 take away 0. Subtracting a number from 0 is like when you subtract 0 from any number, the number stays the same. So 7 minus 0 is 7. The correct option is 7. 7 minus 0 is 7. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So let's just move on to next lesson, right? The next one is make a number using subtraction, right? So let's just see how do we make a number using subtraction. How do you make one? So basically you are given with more than one options. You have to see which two numbers when subtracted makes one, right? So let's just start with the examples. The basic concept is subtraction, right? You have to learn which two numbers when subtracted makes one. You are given more than one options. You just have to see the options like which option makes one, right? Okay, here is the same one. How do you make one? So you are given four options: 4 take away 2, 3 take away 2, 3 take away 1, and 5 take away 3. So you have to see which option makes one. So start with the first one, keep subtracting and see which option makes one. Got it? So 4 minus 2 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, and 5 minus 3 is 2. So which is the correct option? Which one makes one? This one, right? 3 minus 2 is the correct option because 3 minus 2 is the option that makes 1. Got it? So the correct option is option number B, that is 3 take away 2. Got it? B is the correct option. Okay, the next one is how do you make 4? So check the options, which is the correct one, which one makes 4. You are given 4 options. You have to see which one makes 4. So just start doing subtraction. 4 minus 1 is 3, 5 minus 2 is 3, 5 minus 1 is 4, and 5 minus 3 is 2. So which is the correct option? The correct option is the one. This is the one that makes 4. So the correct option is 5 minus 1. Got it? The correct option is 5 minus 1. Got it? Option number C is the correct option. Okay, how do you make 2? Which is the correct option? The correct option is, yes, that is 3 minus 1 is the correct option. Option number B, that makes 2. The correct option is option number B. How do you make 3, which is the correct option? The correct option is 5 minus 2 is the correct option. That makes 3 option number. D is the correct option, right? How do you make 1, which is the correct option? The correct option is, yes, that is 5 minus 4. That makes 1. The last option is the correct one. That is the one that makes 1. Got it? How do you make 2, which is the correct option? The correct option is, yes, that is option number C. 4 minus 2 is 2. Got it? How do you make 1, which is the correct option? The correct option is, yes, that is the first one. 2 minus 1 is 1. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next one. The next one is ways to make a number, right? So, how do you make a number? You are given with the, like, for, you have so many ways to create a number, right? Just look at the examples. Here are some ways to make 1, right? Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction. So you can find the pattern in the given subtraction sentences. You need to find the pattern and then find the missing number. Just look at the first numbers, right? They are, if you start from here, they are decreasing by 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, right? Every next number is less than the previous one, right? So that means 5, 3, 2, 1, which is the number between 5 and 3, that is 4. So here you have 4, right? Then go from like this, 1, 0, 1, 2, 4, which is the number between 2 and 4. The number between 2 and 4 is 3. So that would be 4 take away 3. And yes, they also make 1, right? 4 take away 3 is 1. 4 take away 3 is 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Basically, you have to, there you are given with the pattern, right? So you have to understand the pattern, which is the pattern that you will find the missing number, right? Okay, here are some ways to make 0. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentences. So you are given some of the ways that makes 0, right? So just find the pattern, just look at the first line. Here you have 4, 3, 2. So which is the number between 0 and 2? That is between 0 and 2 you have 1. Got it? Here again 4, 3, 2. Which is the number between 2 and 0? That would be 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Got it? The correct option is 1 minus 1 equals 0. Yes. Hi Samuel, if you have any question you can please ask. So the correct option is 1 minus 1 equals 0. Got it? Okay, the next one is here are some ways to make 1. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentences. So which is the correct option? The correct option is that is 3 minus 2 equals 1, right? Just look at the pattern. Here you have the missing number is between 2 and 4, right? So which is the number between 2 and 4? That is 3. Then you have 3 and 1. The number between 3 and 1 is 2. So that is through. That is 3 minus 2 equals 1. Got it? The correct option is 3 minus 2 equals 1. Here are some ways to make 0. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So which subtraction sentence is missing? Yes, Samuel. Hi. Yes, that is 4 take away 4 is. But 4 take away 4 already here. The number between 3 and 1 is. Yes, that is 2 take away 2 equals 0. The correct option is 2 take away 2 is 0. Got it? Okay, the next one is here are some ways to make 1. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So which is the correct option? So which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, that is 2 minus 1 equals 1. The correct option is 2 minus 1 equals 1. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Samuel, what does that word means? Okay, the next one is ways to subtract from a number. Ways to make a number. Okay, so there are so many ways to make a number. Like, just start with the example. Like, here are some ways to subtract from 5, right? Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So here you are subtracting from 5. You have to find the pattern and then find the missing number, right? So just start with the first row. Here is the first row. That is, the first line is 5, right? Because you're subtracting from 5. So the first row is 5, right? So here you have 5, right? Now just look at this one, 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, right? So your every next number is more than one, more than one the previous one. So here you have 0, 1, 3. Between 1 and 3 you have 2, so that would be 5 minus 2, and 5 minus 2 is 3. That means the missing one is 5 minus 2 equals 3. Got it? The missing number is 5 minus 2 equals 3. Okay, here are the ways to subtract from 10. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So, which is the correct option? Here are the ways to subtract from 10. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So, which subtraction is missing? Yes, the correct option is 10 minus 8 is missing one, right? The correct option is 10 minus 8. The correct option is the first one, that is 10 minus 8 equals 2. The next one is here are the ways to subtract from 8. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So which is the correct option? The correct is, which is the one that is missing? Yes, very good. That is 8 take away 8 equals 0. Yes, the correct one is 8 take away 8 is 0, right? The next one is, here are ways to subtract from 4. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So which is the correct option? Very good. That is 4 minus 4 equals 0. The correct option is 4 minus 4 equals 0. Here are the ways to subtract from 9. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So which is the correct option? The correct option is, yes, that is 9 minus 3 equals 6. Option number 1 is the correct one. The next one is, here are the ways to make 6. Here are the ways to subtract from 6. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So which is the correct option? So how do you make 6? Yes, that is 6 minus 1 equals 5. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson, right? The next lesson is, complete the subtraction sentence, right? You have to find the missing number. You are given one of the number and the difference between those numbers. So you need to find the missing number, right? So when you are given with the options, that would be very easy for you. You can start by putting the options and you can see which is the correct one. Like here you are given 4 minus the missing number equals 2, right? So start with the first one. Just see 4 take away 2 equals 2. Yes, 4 take away 2 equals 2, right? That means that is the only option that is the correct one. So the correct option is 1. You don't need to have to you don't have to check for the rest of them. So the correct option is 4 take away 2 equals 2. The correct option is 2, right? Okay, the next one is find the missing number. 5 take away which number equals 4. So you are given with 4 of the options. Start with the first option. So which is the correct one? Yes, that is 5 take away. Very good. 4 equals 1. Correct option is 4. Got it? Okay, the next one is 3 take away missing number equals 1. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 3 take away 2 equals 1. Very good. Fill in the missing number. So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 5 take away 1 equals 4. So the missing number is 1. The next one is fill in the missing number. 5 take away missing number equals 3, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 5 take away 2 equals 3. The correct option is 2. Got it? Fill in the missing number. 4 take away missing number equals 1, which is the correct option? No, sorry, 4 take away missing number equals 3, which is the correct option? Yes, that is 4 take away 1 equals 3, right? The correct option is 4 take away 1 equals 3. The correct option is 1. Fill in the missing number. 4 take away missing number equals 1. Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 4 take away 3 equals 1. The correct option is 3. Right? Okay, the next one is fill in the missing number. 2 take away missing number equals 1. So which number is missing? Yes, that is 2 take away 1 equals 1. The correct option is 1. Fill in the missing number. 3 minus missing number equals 2. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 3 take away 1 equals 2, right? The correct option is 3 take away 1 equals 2. The correct option is 1. Okay, the next one is 5 take away missing number equals 1. Yes, that is 5 take away 4 equals 1. The correct option is 5 take away 4 equals 1. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we are working on grade 1 math. The chapter we are working on is subtraction. That is just a quick review about the chapter. Still I have covered the practice questions from all of the lessons. So the lessons we have covered today are subtraction facts, numbers up to 10, make a number using subtraction, numbers up to 10, ways to make a number, ways to subtract from a number, and complete the subtraction sentences, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today, and that is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the site. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So either you can search the channel These are the lessons I have already covered two times, I think three times, right? So if you need help with any of the lesson, please search the channel. Please search the channel. You will find all the lessons there, right? Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So if you have any question related to the lesson we have just finished, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.